I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your phone number on Monzo, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Monzo app. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone. Make sure you log into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, then select Account from the menu options. This will take you to your account settings where you can make changes. Step 3. Select Phone Number. In the account settings, look for the phone number option. Tap on it to begin the process of updating your contact information. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Type in your new phone number. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy, as a small mistake can lead to verification issues later. Step 5. Verify your new number. After entering your new number, Monzo will send a verification code via SMS. Enter the code in the app to confirm the change. If you don't receive the code, check your signal or try resending it. Updating your phone number on Monzo is straightforward, and following these steps should help you do it without any hassle. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo support.